Hi students, today let us discuss 5th class English Bridging Gap Activity Worksheet 5. Here what is the bit is editing. Editing means we can rewrite the sentences into the clues. Okay, make changes with the help of the clues. Rewrite the sentences. Here, given the sentences is some mistakes have there, then we correct it and rewrite them. Okay. One day, Abhi and grandfather went to the village fair. Here, the clue is capital letter. And mistake word is in pink color. What is this? In pink color, this is Abhi word. It can change into capital letter and rewrite them. You observe here. One day, Abhi. Abhi, A is a capital. Abhi, A-B-H-I, Abhi. And grandfather, we can change only pink color word only. Grandfather. Then remaining words are same. Went to the village fair. Okay, second one is Abhi saw many. What is this? Here, spelling mistake is here. Things at the village fair. What is the clue? Spelling. We know. What is this? Things. Abhi saw many things at the village fair. Okay. Abhi saw many things at the village fair. Grandfather told to buy a toy Abhi. Here, what is the clue? Word order. Word order is not correct. What is it? In pink color we have to buy a toy Abhi. These total words are in pink color. Then we can change the word order in correct form. What is the correct form? Grandfather told Abhi. Grandfather told Abhi to buy a toy. This is the right one. To is Abhi is come forward. Abhi is come here. Then that is correct. Grandfather told Abhi to buy a toy. Abhi, go to toy seller. Word form. Here, what is the word in pink color? Go. We change word form. Abhi, what is here? Abhi went here. Went, not go. Went to a toy seller. This is the correct one. Next, he Abhi bought a toy puppy. Delete extra word. Here, he also Abhi, Abhi also Abhi. Two words are there. We delete extra word. We can write he bought a toy puppy. Okay. This is the right one. Next, grandfather paid for the doll. Here, what is the clue? Capital letter. Which one? In pink color, what is this? Grandfather. Which one is the capital letter? G. Grandfather. G is a capital. Grandfather paid for the doll. That means grandfather paid the money for that doll. They went back home happily. Who is happy? Abhi is happy. I think that's why, because of he bought a toy puppy. Okay, here what is the punctuation is wrong here. Happily. When we are happy, we can surprise. But here is question mark is there. Then we write the happy. They went back home happily. Happily means surprise. Happy. This is the right one. Okay. Once again you check it. One day Abhi and grandfather went to the village fair. Here we write capital letter. One day Abhi and grandfather went to the village fair. Abhi is in A is in capital letter. Abhi saw many, what is this, things at the village fair. Here spelling mistake is there. Things means nothing. Here what is the word here? Things. Abhi saw many things at the village fair. Grandfather told to buy a toy. Abhi. Word order. We can change here word order. Grandfather told Abhi to buy a toy. Abhi go to a toy seller. Word form. Here go is the wrong word. We can change into word form. Went. Abhi went to a toy seller. Abhi bought a toy puppy. Here two words are there. He, Abhi. Both words same. Then we can delete extra word. He bought a toy puppy. Okay. Next one. Grandfather paid for the doll. Here also capital letter. We can write the capital letter here. Grandfather. Which one? G one is the capital. Grandfather paid for the doll. They went back home happily. But here have question mark. This is not a question. They come back very happy. That's why this punctuational mark is wrong. They went back home happily. This is the right one. Okay. Thank you for watching.